as you show me. Okay.
All right. I got two McMahon 240s on here, and I just put a additional alternator under there, which is a PowerMaster 140.
I see it down there.
Which eventually I'm gonna get another McMahon.
Okay.
Or something else bigger.
All right.
I just redid my cruise plate. I made that piece.
That's nice.
I just didn't put the cover on because I had to trim the part off where it covers the wire.
Right.
So I'm gonna have to put like some clear silicone to keep that piece on there. All new OFC back. I had CCA in the car, ran all new OFC wires for the front
Very
and back.
nice. I like that.
And all this was done this week at night.
You've been busy.
Yeah, yeah.
That's a 302.
Yeah, it was 305 been bowed out.
Okay.
Plus, yeah, this has been redone too. After scraping the coast, I came home. I had carburetor problems. I put a new carburetor on the car.
Got that Alabrock.
Painted the intake and all new chrome accessories.
Okay.
Painted the firewall flat black. Did that. It took like 3 weeks to do it. Yeah.
Looks good. You go to the back.
Alright, these amps right here, they was going this way. I changed them to be able to add two more.
So you guys gonna add two more 3500?
Two more 3500. One right here, one right there.
Are you working with how many?
It's 6 Group 27 AGM Intimidators right here.
All
Six
right.
of them, 4 right there. There's 2 right here.
Okay.
So like I said, all these wires been changed.
Yep.
Every wire back here been changed, even up under the board. Even the wires to the amps got dual inputs, dual high, dual ground.
Okay.
And
you got some Rockford amps for your mids and
all
highs?
Rockfords on mids and highs. That amp right there, the first one, is on the 8 Skar Super Tutors in the wall. Okay. And I got 4 PRV horns on the car, two back here and 2 back here. The center Rockford is on the 4/8 behind me.
Okay.
Then there's an Orion 800.4 on the 8s in the doors. Okay. Then down here, under there, there's 2 more amps. There's another Rockford right there on the 6.5s.
Man, you got a lot of
Then there's another amp, another Rockford 40.4 under there. That's on the dash tweeters and the power base super tweeters that's in the door.
5 mids and highs amps.
Yeah, and it's going to be 2 more sub amps.
Okay.
Yep. That's it.
Yeah. This what year T-Bird are we working with?
82 Thunderbird.
82 T-Bird. Oh yeah, these
12
are the
8s in here, 8 6.5s.
They got the speakers behind the seat.
14 super tweeters.
And then what?
I think like
these are the Skar what models?
They're the 3.5 Skars.
Which ones?
No, Skar only make like the 3.5s and the 4 inches.
I'm talking about the subs. What brand?
Oh, the subs are the 418s EBLs.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
That's what we got here. I just stuck the CD in, see what's on it.
Hey, you got old school Alpine in this thing. You still got a sunroof.
Still got it.
I'm sorry for your sunroof.
Hey, it's gonna rock.
Rest in peace.
I'll just pop this CD in here.
That sounds good. I like that song. Yeah. I've heard that song before.
It's all decal. Yeah, it's 2 up in the 2 horns in the front, fine in the grill, fine down that way, and the 2 in the back. I mean, I got a target switch, so I can cut them off, so I got them on just to let y'all entertain.